Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then choose General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and choose Theme. Now to pick the best one for you, I will go with Solid Dark and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something cooler, you can always go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in Gboard and install this free app by Google developer. Following that, select Open. Now you need to click on Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to Gboard and tap OK in the pop-up. Then choose Select Input Method, click on the Gboard over here and tap on Done. After that, just close Gboard app. Now you need to go back into Device Settings, scroll down and choose General Management. Then click on Gboard Settings and tap on Theme. Over here, you can select one of those by tapping on Show More and selecting the best one for you. I will go with that one. Then manage key borders by tapping on the switcher and select Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again, but you can always customize it in the same settings by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes and select photo that you wish to apply. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Following that, tap on Done and manage key borders by clicking on the switcher. Lastly, just Apply and click Home button. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!